The lab environment is hazardous by nature. You and those working with you largely determine the actual risk. You must understand and observe the regulations and be aware of safety dangers. The first thing to keep in mind is proper attire. Wearing the right clothes in the lab can help you avoid serious, even fatal injuries. Working with substances that might hurt you if they come into touch with your skin is common. Thus, wearing clothing that covers your whole body is the most significant way to avoid skin exposure. Shorts and sandals expose your skin, so go for long and closed-toed shoes instead. Before entering the lab, take off your jewelry and tie your hair. Only bring what you will need into the lab to avoid contamination. Leave all personal items outside, such as backpacks, handbags, and jackets. Now that you are appropriately dressed for the laboratory, let us get started. Inside the laboratory area, practice the laboratory do's and don'ts. Here are some. Do wear a personal protective equipment or PPE. For lab work, a lab coat, safety glasses, or face shields and gloves are required. Always button your coat and try to fit the cuffs tucked in your gloves. Lab coats prevents you from spills, splashes, and provides protection to skin. Face shields can also protect your eyes from flying debris. And gloves. Wearing gloves will avoid unwanted skin injury. Additional do's is do practice fire safety. Keep your hands and arms away from the open flames, so wear safety glasses and keep long hair tied back. Also, do handle glassware safely. Glassware can break, leaving behind potentially harmful shards. Don't eat or drink in the lab. Eat before entering or after leaving the lab. Food, gum, mints, cough drops, and beverages are messy. They may get equipment dirty, contaminate samples, absorb chemicals, or cause accidents. Don't use excessive force. Using excessive force can potentially chip or break the glass. Be aware that you can spread chemical or biological contamination by touching items such as your phones while your gloves are still on. So avoid touching your things when you are in the lab to avoid contamination. After your lab experiment, don't leave a mess. Do clean up the laboratory area and glassware or equipment. Always remove PPE, and before you leave the lab, be sure to thoroughly wash your hands. Hand washing prevents the spread of biological and chemical contaminants and protect you from accidental exposure.